Welcome to my new video. In today's video, I've brought 10 essential kitchen products, so watch the video till the end without delay. Number 10. The Budu Electric Lunchbox. 80W food heater for adults is a practical and convenient solution for individuals looking to enjoy warm meals at the office or while traveling. This electric lunchbox, designed in an attractive green color and made from durable stainless steel by the trusted brand Budu, is specifically tailored for adult users. One notable feature of this lunchbox is its manual function, allowing users to have control over the heating process and ensuring that their food is heated to the desired temperature. With a capacity of 1.5 liters, it offers ample space to accommodate a satisfying meal while on the go. The theme of this product, designed with a car theme in mind, makes it suitable for individuals who frequently travel or commute by car. The distinctive Budu pattern adds a touch of style to the overall design, making it a practical.
Number 9. The original Nessie Ladle by Ototo. Soup ladle stands out as a unique and whimsical addition to any kitchen. Crafted in a charming turquoise blue color, this ladle brings a touch of fun to your cooking routine. Made from high-quality plastic by the renowned brand Ototo, it combines durability with style. With its playful design inspired by the legendary Loch Ness Monster, the Nessie ladle adds a delightful flair to your soup-serving experience. The dimensions of 9.65 inches in length and 3.54 inches in width make it comfortable to use while ensuring it can easily handle various quantities of soup, sauces, or stews. Not only is the Nessie ladle a functional kitchen tool, but it also makes for a great conversation piece when entertaining guests. Its unique design makes it suitable for individuals of all ages, from kids to adults, bringing joy and charm to mealtimes. Overall, the original Nessie Ladle by Ototo is a well-crafted and fun soup ladle.
Number 8. The Cotton Candy Express. CC1000S Cotton Candy Machine by Cotton Candy Express is a delightful addition for anyone who enjoys creating the sugary fun of cotton candy at home or special events. This compact yet efficient machine brings the excitement of the carnival right to your kitchen. Weighing in at 11 ounces, the CC1000S is lightweight and easy to move around, making it perfect for parties and gatherings. The 57-piece set provides everything you need to get started, giving you a comprehensive kit for making fluffy, delicious cotton candy.
Number 7. The FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Bags. By FoodSaver offer exceptional quality and performance for storing food items effectively. With product dimensions of 8.63 into 7.63 into 2.63 inches and weighing only 8 ounces, these bags are designed to provide convenience without compromising on durability. Manufactured in the USA by FoodSaver, these bags come with an ASIN of B001U0274Q and an item model number FSSSBF05340000, ensuring traceability and authenticity. With a stellar customer review rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 14,190 reviews, it's evident that these bags are well received by users worldwide. The best sellers rank of #958 in kitchen and dining, #10 in vacuum sealer bags, and #63 in small appliance parts and accessories demonstrates the popularity and reliability of FoodSaver vacuum sealer bags in the market. Moreover, the fact that the product is not discontinued since its first availability on February 25, 2009, speaks to its continued relevance and effectiveness.
Number 6. The Gatorade GX Bottle is a top-quality product brought to you by the renowned brand Gatorade. Crafted from durable plastic, this squeeze bottle is designed to withstand daily use and is a reliable companion for your hydration needs. The sleek black color gives it a sophisticated look, making it suitable for various settings. With a generous capacity of 1.9 pounds, you can conveniently carry an ample amount of your favorite beverage to stay refreshed throughout the day. Whether you are an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone on the go, the Gatorade GX Bottle is a dependable choice to help you stay hydrated with ease and style.
Number 5. This stainless steel semi-automatic whisk blender by Newness is a game-changer for any home cook or baker looking to streamline their mixing processes. With its classic design and sleek silver color, this versatile kitchen tool effortlessly combines style with functionality. Measuring at 11.97 inches in length and 2.37 inches in width, the newness Wizzy Whisk is compact yet powerful. Its semi-automatic feature makes it a joy to use, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The fact that this whisk blender is dishwasher safe is a significant convenience, allowing for easy cleanup after each use. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're whisking eggs, blending batters, or mixing sauces, the newness Wizzy Whisk delivers consistent results with ease. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for everyone, from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. Overall, the newness Wizzy Whisk is a must.
Number 4. The Norpro 2063. Non-stick 3-sided splatter guard is a must-have kitchen accessory for anyone who values cleanliness and efficiency while cooking. This splatter guard boasts a non-stick surface that makes cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort during meal preparations. The compact design of the Norpro 2063 ensures that it can be easily stored without taking up much space in your kitchen. Crafted by the reputable brand Norpro, known for producing high-quality kitchen essentials, this splatter guard is a reliable addition to your culinary arsenal. Weighing only 10.88 ounces, it is lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring that you can use it comfortably while cooking.
Number 3. The Kosori 18 Functions. Rice Cooker by Kosori is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and efficiency for all cooking enthusiasts. With a capacity of 10 cups, this rice cooker can easily handle meals for families or gatherings. The product dimensions of 12.3 inches in diameter, 10.6 inches in width, and 9.2 inches in height make it a compact addition to any kitchen countertop. One of the key highlights of the Kosori rice cooker is its 18 pre-programmed functions, which provide a wide range of cooking options beyond just rice. From steaming vegetables to slow-cooking stews, this appliance caters to various culinary needs with ease. The corded electric power source ensures consistent performance, while the dishwasher-safe design simplifies the cleaning process. Overall, the Kosori 18 Functions rice cooker combines functionality, convenience, and ease of maintenance, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you are a busy professional or a home cook looking.
Number 2. This twisted potato slicer by Huckhoff is a handy tool for creating spiral cut potatoes easily at home. Made from a combination of stainless steel, alloy steel metal, and rubber, it offers a sturdy and durable construction that ensures long-lasting performance. The slicer comes in an elegant silver and black color combination, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen tools. One of the notable features of this product is the protective film that comes with it, providing an extra layer of safety during use and storage. The blade materials used in this slicer include plastic metal and alloy steel, ensuring precise and efficient cutting of vegetables every time. With its round blade shape, you can achieve uniformly spiral-cut potatoes for a visually appealing presentation. Measuring 10 inches in length, 4.7 inches in width, and 5.4 inches in height, this slicer is compact enough to store easily in your kitchen drawer or cupboard. Weighing just 2.1 pounds, it is lightweight yet.
Number 1. The Hawkins Ceramic Nonstick. 3.5-liter deep kadai is a standout addition to any kitchen. Crafted with high-quality ceramic material, this kadai offers a durable and reliable cooking experience. The non-stick feature ensures that your food cooks evenly and prevents sticking, making it a breeze to clean after use. One of the key advantages of this product is its versatility. It is compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, allowing users to switch between cooking methods with ease. Additionally, the inclusion of a well-fitted lid helps to lock in flavors and nutrients while cooking. With a generous capacity of 3.5 liters, this deep kadai is ideal for preparing large quantities of food, making it suitable for families and gatherings. The sleek gray color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setting. Overall, the Hawkins Ceramic Nonstick 3.5-liter deep kadai is a reliable, well-designed cookware essential for everyday cooking needs. Its exceptional non-stick properties,